Disadvantages of coffee. 1. Sleep disruption. Even small amounts of caffeine can interfere with melatonin production and delay sleep. Common among people who drink coffee in the afternoon or evening. 2. Increased anxiety and panic attacks. Caffeine stimulates the central nervous system, which can heighten anxiety and trigger panic in sensitive individuals, especially risky for those with existing anxiety disorders. 3. Stomach and digestive problems. Coffee can increase stomach acid and worsen conditions like acid reflux, ulcers, or irritable bowel syndrome. May cause stomach cramps or discomfort in some users. 4. Heart palpitations and high blood pressure can lead to temporary spikes in heart rate and blood pressure, may contribute to heart rhythm issues in sensitive individuals. 5. Caffeine dependence and withdrawal. Regular use can lead to physical dependence. Common withdrawal symptoms include fatigue, irritability, headaches, and poor concentration. 6. Bone density reduction. Excess caffeine may reduce calcium absorption, potentially weakening bones over time, especially a concern for older adults and postmenopausal women. 7. Reduced nutrient absorption. Caffeine can interfere with the body's ability to absorb iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. Best consumed away from meals to minimize this effect. 8. Productivity crash. Initial energy boost is often followed by a crash, leading to fatigue and reduced focus. Can create a cycle of dependence to stay alert. 9. Pregnancy and fertility risks. High caffeine intake has been linked to miscarriage, low birth weight, and fertility challenges. Pregnant women are advised to limit caffeine to under 200 milligrams per day. 10. Environmental and ethical impact. Coffee production can contribute to deforestation, water waste, and unfair labor conditions. Ethical sourcing and organic options are recommended for conscious consumers. 11. Teeth staining and oral health. Coffee stains tooth enamel and can cause bad breath. Acidic nature may also weaken enamel over time. 12. Bladder irritation. Caffeine acts as a diuretic and bladder stimulant, leading to frequent urination or urgency. May aggravate bladder or prostate conditions. 13. Skin dehydration and aging. The diuretic effect can lead to mild dehydration, affecting skin appearance and elasticity. Can worsen dry skin and fine lines if hydration is not maintained. 14. Emotional and mental dependency. Some individuals rely on coffee for motivation, masking deeper fatigue or stress. May hinder healthy stress management and mental balance.